Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm going to discuss, this is a question number October 17, 11 variant question number 7, B part. Okay. In B part, first part, we have to prove it, show this link and turn to be this link. So let's start. So sine theta plus 2 cos theta times 2 1 plus sine theta. If you know algebra, so this is not a hard job for you. Equal to sine theta times to 1 plus cos theta. So this is not a 3 lines. Sometimes, if we have a 3 lines come in the middle, we have to prove. But when you have a 2 lines, actually 3 lines, we cannot shift left and right. No. But when we have a 2 lines in the middle, like this, 2 lines in the middle, equal sign, equal. Okay. So this it means we can shift left and right. Okay. Sine into 1, naturally sine theta. Sine into sine, you can say sine square theta. Sine into cos, you can say minus sine theta cos theta. You can write any order. 2 cos into 1, it gives you 2 cos theta. And this into this, I got 2 cos theta into sine theta. And last 2 cos into cos, so minus 2 cos square theta is equal to sine into 1, give you sine theta, and sine into cos give you sine theta and cos theta. Now let's see how we can manage it. Problem is, first of all, sine square we have, yes, check it. But what is my target to prove? In my target, we need full cos. There's no sine square required. Look at here. The target is 3 cos square and 2 cos 1. So sine square not required. So this sine square, okay, first of all, I cancel. How cancel? This sine right side and this sine left side can be cancelled very easily. You know very well because they're same, and we bring left hand side, sign change, cancel. Okay. After that, I think so. Let me continue. Then I show you. Okay. This sine square I change 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. This 2 cos sine theta and this sine theta cos theta. So like it deal like 2x and minus x. So it will behave like a single x. So it means I can write it simply, solve this, and with this, it turned to be plus sine theta and cos theta. All right. So now let's see what is missing. Look at here. This over, yes, finished. This is over, yes, both finished. This is over, yes, no, this is missing, sorry. And this cos, let me write both now. So 2 cos theta left and minus 2 cos square theta left. This value from right side, comma left hand side. So minus sine theta into cos theta is equals to 0. Now I can plan easily. Yes, so this term also cancel. This term also cancel. Okay, and now I can write my answer finally. So this minus 2 cos square and this minus cos square only turn to be minus 3 cos square. And then I'm writing this one term in the middle. So plus 2 cos theta. And at the end, I'm writing this one. So I'm writing here plus 1 equal to 0. But you see, all signs with the proving part is reversed. So multiply by minus 1, whole equation. So what will happen? 3 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. No, not plus, minus. The sign changes. And minus 1 equals to 0. Proved. So we have done our proving part. So after proving part, let's go for the next part number, this one. So part number B2. Yes, friends, now I'm going to start part number B2. Actually, I wrote on the top of the question, but anyway, what was the question? You can see still, or I make it a big, you can read it easily. What is the question he's asking here? He's asking here that by solve this equation, find out the angle, but this time a new concept. We have to stay in the boundary limits of minus 1 plus it. It means So 0 to, this is called positive 180. And you know that when in mathematics and physics, when you go anti-clockwise, angle always positive. And when I go clockwise, angle always negative. So it means positive is clear. But when I go from anti-clockwise, this is called minus 180. So our answer should be in 2. Like I will go from left to right anti-clockwise. How many answers I will come in this range? How many answers I will take? Similarly, I will go clockwise till this much. And which is how many angles I will get in the middle? I will take 1 or 2 or how many? Okay. So this is a plan of action. So let's see how we can manage it. But what a question he is asking. We have to concentrate more. He's saying solve this one. The problem is that how we can solve for angle finding. It's a huge equation. And second number, lot of things, sine, cos, sine, cos, sine, cos. But you have done in the I part, you what? You transform this equation, you transform into this equation. It means if you want answer of this equation, so find out answer of this equation. So if you find answer of this equation, that's answer of this equation as well. So that is why I think plan is clear. And I'm going to do what? I'm going to find answer of this one. So now that is why I'm rubbing it and I'm starting once again the thing how to start. So get ready, please. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I think now, inshallah, you'll understand. 83 question number B part 2. Okay. So I am solving this one. So let me write that equation. And that equation is 3 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. You can let cos theta is equal to k also. Okay. And it turned to this become k square as k. So this equation turned to be 3k square minus 2k minus 1. Okay. Or you can do direct even without assuming, without turning. Okay. So if you want to like the other one, work even. Now factorization is possible or apply quadratic formula. So 3k square, 3k plus 1k minus 1 equals to 0. 3k common, I got a k minus 1 and plus 1 common. Alhamdulillah. Rabbil Alameen, you are understanding the concept very easily and not at all any trouble. So first part 0, I got k is equal to 1. Second part 0, I got k is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now here we are getting something new. So get ready for the new parts. So first of all, you never deal 1. You never deal 1. You deal, look at here. You deal 1 by 3, 2 by 3, whatever. But you never deal up till now 1. So today I'm going to introduce some basic rules. Okay. So if k value is 1, so I will put this value k back here. Okay. It means the cos theta is equals to 1. Now problem is, now you know that, maybe you know or not, here we have all decimal values, decimal. But you cannot take the values, the decimals come in the middle. And you have whole numbers. Whole numbers will not come in this section, not there, not here, not here. Whole numbers will come only and only where, let me tell you, 2 whole numbers on x-axis and y-axis. I mean, okay, let me make cross, not here, so you can understand maybe here better. I make cross here. Cos 0 is equals to 1. You can type in calculator. Cos 180 is equals to minus 1. Cos 90 is equals to 0. Cos 270 is equals to 0. You know how I memorize? Horizontally. Horizontal line means x-axis. Always cos 1. Here 1 and here minus 1. And vertically up and down. Here 0, here 0. So as a teacher, I memorize these values this way. And I tell students you have to also memorize the same way. And you ask, so what about sine? So sine total reciprocal. It means sine 0 is 0. Sine 180 is 0. Because cos is 1 on x-axis and cos is 0 on y-axis. But here reciprocal. Because sine is 0 on x-axis and sine is 1 on y-axis. So sine 90 is equals to what? 1. And sine 270 is what? -1. And let me tell you, in the middle of quadrants, here, 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 and here, you can never get a whole number. Always in decimals. That you know. And sine value and cos value, I taught before. Highest value +1, lowest value -1, and rest all value in decimals within the quadrants. So that you know very well. So that is why you can see the highest values come on the quadrants, on the lines. So I think so this gross, you just another part of this question. Anyway, so but I'm not rubbing even. So it means you can, if you take a cos inverse of this one, cos inverse of this one, so what happens? It turned to be cos theta is equal to cos inverse of 1. But when you type it, it gives you 0 answer. It means the first answer is coming here is 0. So we are getting 0 answer. So let me write here a different color. So theta is coming here 0 answer. Okay. And 0 answer or 360 because cos 0 is 0 and cos 360 also 0. But 360 is not in our domain. Not in our domain. So it means we are not our boundary limits. So I will not take 360. Okay. So I got a first answer. Now make a line here. I make a line here. And now I'm going to do the part number 2. And part number 2 is what? When k is 1 is 1 by 3. Here interesting part is coming. So if k value is -1 by 3, it means cos theta is equals to -1 by 3. I will make a cross. Get ready. And cos is negative in which quadrant? All of you know. Because cast, C-A-S-T, cast. Here cos positive in both quadrants. And here cos negative in both quadrants. So I will make one line here and one line here. So let's start. And inshallah, I believe, inshallah, you will understand. So first of all, you will assume this theta as alpha. And cos will goes on other side. And cos inverse of 1 by 3. But don't take this negative sign. No, don't take it. Okay. So when I take when I type and make sure, when I type it cos inverse of 1 by 3, it is giving 70 degree, 70.5. Always write one decimal place unless he say change some concepts. Okay. Otherwise, always 1 dp we have to answer. Until unless say 2 dp or 3 dp. Sometimes he says like that. Anyway, I wrote line and x-axis. All of you familiar? Why write it? Okay. Now I bring this theta here back. So theta is, I'm writing now here. Get ready. So first answer, you know, start from positive x-axis, move anti-clockwise till line. So first answer is so simple. I can say 180 minus 70.5. Okay, let me write it here in detail. So theta is coming 180 minus 70.5. And that is 180 minus, so it is coming 109. So this answer is confirmed. 109.5. I got it. But problem is now in number. Okay, let me show blue color. So from here till here, agreed. So I got a positive answer. But now, can I go from here to here? Wrong. So why wrong, sir? Because it's crossing the limit of 180 degree. Positive 180. We cannot cross positive 180. We have to stay in the boundary limits till stop here and move from here and stop here. It means we cannot cross this line. This is our restriction in this particular question only, not every question. Anyway,
so like
this,
what's the purpose of the minus 180?
My dear, he's trying to teach you that negative is means you have to go not anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise always positive angle. So now we have to go a clockwise also. So that is why it's giving answer negative. So that I'm going to do now and get ready for that. So from starting from here and stop here. Or repeat, wait a minute, please. The top arrow is not possible. I'm rubbing the top arrow. This is not possible because my boundary limits is this. Repeat. So I have two answers. I show again in my yellow color. This is the first answer, correct? And this answer, wrong. I'm erasing. And this answer, wait a minute. I change again. This answer, correct? Okay. And this answer, again, wrong. Why again wrong? We're crossing the minus 180 boundary. So we have two answers we have up till now. I'm writing both answers now. Get ready. Okay. And how to write, that is interesting. That is interesting. How to find this angle? So 180, you know, full angle from here to here is 180. All of you know it. Repeat. From here to here is 180. But this angle I don't want. I can write here 180 minus 70.5. But issue one we have. I have to put minus outside. Now you say, why put minus outside? Because I am going clockwise. That is this negative sign for clockwise. I write a word clockwise. That is why we have to write this minus sign compulsory. So it means answer value is same, but answer coming in negative. So negative 109.5. Those these are, I show in a blue color, these are to my final answers of this question, and that's it. Question is complete.